Contact center consultants. In the internet-driven world of today, contact centers have become a very resourceful facility for businesses around the world. Big companies are readily putting up contact centers to channel their customer care needs. Contact center consultants specialize in providing vendor-neutral information on various aspects of call centers, like call center software, operating equipment, and relevant data systems. Contact center consultants are valuable for setting up both small and big contact centers. They advise the firms on using the right technology, latest practices, and complete evaluation of the available resources. These inputs are very important for companies who want to evaluate and consolidate their present centers, and for those who are just starting out. Like every organization, people form the core of these centers. Skilled, self-motivated people are what employers are looking for. Contact center consultants develop and improve the employee's performance and increase the output of the center through agent error reduction, training, and development. Counseling desks are regularly set up for stressed-out employees who are then encouraged to give their best. Experts have realized that there are 3 factors which are responsible for the success of any contact center. First is people, as mentioned earlier, second is the business processes, and third is the technology. All 3 of them are interrelated and susceptible to change. Contact center consultants thoroughly understand their clients' work environment and needs. They are ready to get involved as soon as the firms decide to improve the performance of their companies. The overall goal of the consultant is to help the clients in improving the performance, thereby increasing customer loyalty and revenue. They also play a major role in reducing operating costs by planning the customer service requirements of the future. In a world of cutthroat competition and the need to put customer satisfaction first, contact center agents have become an indispensable part of the industry.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.